En migawo mar somo singo ni chenro mar chwalo chiemo ne jopuonjre e sikunde biro dhi nyime mak mana ni koro idhi time mana ne jopuonjre mane kod dwaro mamalo mar chiemogo. Koloso mbele komiti mar od bura, jagoro mongirore migawo mar somo Dr. Belio Kipsang owacho ni bajet mar chenro mar chwalo chiemo e sikunde ne jopuonjre ong'adi nyaka bilion 3 ka jopuonjre maromo milion 2.6 imiyo chiemo. Omedo ni ging'iyo yore mag neno ni jopuonjre mane yudo chiemo odhi nyime kod yudo chiemo makamano kaka dwarore.
To ensure sustainability of the program and for monitoring and evaluation and research, the draft document also outlines the institutional arrangement for implementation of the policy. And this has also been captured by the Basic Education Bill that is coming to this House, that is a product of the Presidential Working Party report, and therefore this will be properly anchored within law so that we can be able to ensure sustainability and that this program is there to take care of our vulnerable children. The policy will be implemented through the existing Ministry of Education structures at the national and county level. Chair, in line with the requirement of the Constitution, the draft policy will be subjected to stakeholders' validation and public participation prior to its publication and adoption.